Today's video mainly introduces the installation of the dual PCB solution. First of all, I need to explain that the internal magnet installation and internal sponge installation of the dual PCB solution are the same as the normal solution. Therefore, I will not repeat the explanation here. First, complete what needs to be printed. The corresponding SKL file can be found in the folder. Contains 2 shells, fixtures on the side, 2 tops. There are also 2 positioning plates. The keycaps are also printed according to their own needs. We offer different types of keycaps for you to choose from. The first step is to complete the assembly of the main body. The main body is connected with the side connector in the form of a chute without screws. Connect the button at the bottom first. The bottom key slides from the bottom chute to the bottom. There's a buckle here, so the last bit requires a little bit of force. Okay, the same is done on this side. Upper part. Also insert the same, okay? Note that the upper part has not completed the fold limit because it usually doesn't drag out. Okay, so the main structure is actually installed. Notice that both USB boards are fixed below. This small board needs to be plugged in with this cable in advance. The fixing screw is good, so the little board is fixed. Next, the PCB above this one needs to be fixed from the right side. After fixing the cable, fix the PCB to the position in the next SKL. The increase of this position of the cable will also be slotted because the current slot position is not very reasonable. The position of the PCB spacebar at the top is above. The whole PCB is to be turned around. All the keys need to be reset. The same goes for the PCB at the bottom. After the bottom is loaded, the last step plus the magnetic cover. In this way, the structural assembly of the dual PCB scheme is completed.